What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video. And today I'm going to be showing you a Benjamin cash out once again. And I'm also going to be showing everybody pretty much the fastest ways on how to earn faster. So when you sign up with the link in my original video, you get $6 extra when you reach $6. So I noticed a lot of people have not reached $6 yet, and I kind of just want to throw some tips and tricks out there for everybody, so that they can start earning a lot more, because it seems like people are having trouble or they're just not really liking the app. And so I'm going to make this video. I'm going to show you guys another cash out that I did on Benjamin, and I'm also going to show some tips and tricks as well. So let's jump into it. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another new Hi, Devin. So in my original Benjamin video, a lot of you have signed up with my referral link. So when you sign up with my referral link, that's in the description, when you earn $6, they give you $6 for free. And so when you earn $6 and you get that $6 for free, it puts you at $12. You need $25 to cash out. So you only need, what, $13 more to cash out. And I'm gonna show, I'm gonna help you guys and show you guys on how to basically get to your cash out point so that everybody can cash out using Benjamin. And I'm gonna show you some tips and tricks that I've kind of learned myself, playing the games and finding the right games that pay out the most. All right, so we're on the Benjamin app. The main challenge is $40 equals $20. So basically, if you earn rewards from 4 new games and accumulate $40 plus in the game arcade from May 1st to May 16th, you will get a $20 bonus. So we're here on Benjamin app. We're in the game arcade, getting double the points for today, it says, on certain games. So basically what I look for, or basically what I do, is I will go down and I will look at these two things right here. So one of the things that I consider when looking at the games is that, does it pay per minute or does it pay per task? If it pays per minute, I will do it. If it pays per task, more than likely I won't do it, because it takes a lot of time and it does not pay out a lot. So here we have a Park Pro Master of Parking, 2 cents per minute, with a total of 98 cents. Art Puzzle, 2 cents per minute, 84 cents total. So basically what you want to do is go through here and you want to find the one that pays out the most. There's a $1.34 one, and that's looking like it's the highest one for right now. Well, there's another one. So when you have games like that, you want to download them both. So you want to go download, and you want to go out and go back, and you want to go back up to the other high paying out one, and you want to download it too. And so once they are all downloaded, they're still downloading, but enjoy this picture of my dog for a couple minutes while they download. Basically, once they download, you want to play each game for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then you want to alternate. And you want to do that over and over until the game is complete and you have basically gotten all the money from that game, which would be $1.34 for both of these games. So it looks like the first one's done. Like I said, you want to play this for about 15 to 20 minutes. And by play, I mean you could either play it or you could either, you could either play the game or you could just let it sit like this. And if you're just going to let it sit on the game, I suggest that if the game has a settings thing, that you leave it up for 15 to 20 minutes with everything off on the settings tab, and just leave it on the settings tab. And if your phone is like mine, I can put my phone on the charger and my screen will not go into the lock screen until I lock it. So it stays on, and it stays on for 20 minutes. And by that time, once you are on there for 20 minutes, you want to exit out of the game and you want to go back to Benjamin, and I'm going to show you that process after this. So with that being said, if you guys like the tips and tricks that you guys see, please drop a like on this video. Also subscribe to my channel for more earning videos. And also one last tip, if you guys shop online, you can link your card and your account, your bank account, to Benjamin. So every time you spend money, you're going to get cash back. And the cash back with Benjamin goes straight into your Benjamin account, back in the form of money, and then you can cash it right back out when you reach the $25 cash out minimum. And basically it's as simple as that. So if you use your card for whatever, paying bills, buying electronics, buying food at restaurants, really anything, then you're gonna earn a lot from Benjamin. Also, if you guys haven't seen the tier list, I'll run through the tier list real quick. But there's a tier list, and the higher you go, all the way, I think it's from like silver to platinum, the more cash back that you're gonna get back on purchases. So if you go over to your profile, the profile tab on Benjamin, then go down until you see tier, you'll see this. I'm on the gold tier. Basically says claim $47.40 more to reach the next tier and earn up to 60% more cash back. So far I'm at $102.60. And at the gold tier, you enjoy up to 40% more cash back on all your qualifying purchases. The more cash you claim, the closer you are to the next tier. It starts out with bronze, goes all the way up to platinum. Platinum requires $150 claimed cash rewards, up to 60% more cash back on all purchases. So that is the tier list. So that is the tier list of Benjamin. If you guys like this tips and tricks video for Benjamin, please drop a like on the video. Please subscribe to the channel. That way you can get notified about new videos. Make sure it's hit the bell notification, and make sure it's all notifications. That way you get all of the notifications when I drop videos, make posts, or anything that I do on YouTube. When I'm talking about earning apps and all of those things, can get all of those notifications straight to your account. So with that being said, thank you all for tuning in today to this video. I hope this information helped you guys. Comment below if it did, and if it didn't, comment below what you're having trouble with, and I'll see if I can help any of you. So that being said, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next new earning video. Peace.